Artificial intelligence, AI, is a set of technologies that enable computers to perform a variety of advanced functions, including the ability to see, understand and translate spoken and written language, analyze data, make recommendations, and more. You are watching Tech Solution Guru. Today, we discuss what is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is a field of science concerned with building computers and machines that can reason, learn and act in such a way that would normally require human intelligence or that involves data whose scale exceeds what humans can analyze. How does AI work? Although the details differ among various AI methodologies, the fundamental concept centers on information. AI systems enhance their capabilities by analyzing extensive data sets, recognizing patterns and connections that might elude human perception. Typically, this learning procedure incorporates algorithms, which are collections of guidelines or directives that steer the AI's evaluation and choices. In machine learning, a popular subset of AI, algorithms are trained on labeled or unlabeled data to make predictions or categorize information. Artificial intelligence can be organized in several ways, depending on stages of development or actions being performed. For instance, four stages of AI development are commonly recognized. 1. Reactive machines, limited AI that only reacts to different kinds of stimuli based on pre-programmed rules. Does not use memory and thus cannot learn with new data. IBM's Deep Blue that beat chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997 was an example of a reactive machine. 2. Limited memory. Most modern AI is considered to be limited memory. It can use memory to improve over time by being trained with new data, typically through an artificial neural network or other training model. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is considered limited memory artificial intelligence. 3. Theory of mind. Theory of mind AI does not currently exist, but research is ongoing into its possibilities. It describes AI that can emulate the human mind and has decision-making capabilities equal to that of a human, including recognizing and remembering emotions and reacting in social situations as a human would. 4. Self-aware, a step above theory of mind AI. Self-aware AI describes a mythical machine that is aware of its own existence and has the intellectual and emotional capabilities of a human. Like theory of mind AI, self-aware AI does not currently exist. Artificial general intelligence, AGI, would be the ability for a machine to sense, think, and act just like a human. AGI does not currently exist. The next level would be artificial superintelligence, ASI, in which the machine would be able to function in all ways superior to a human. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.